working with index color images and found a CTI file. This is a color lookup table from Adobe's flagship image editor. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll explain what these Photoshop color table files are and how to use them in your design workflow. We're going to solve this CTI issue, but first, a general piece of advice. A good universal viewer is a system essential. It provides quick recovery access. My suggestion is found below, and we will revisit later on. CTI files are color table files used by Adobe Photoshop for indexed color mode images. They contain a palette of up to 256 specific color values that map to pixel index values in GIF PNG-8 and other indexed color format images. Color tables control the exact colors available in palette-based image modes. Adobe Photoshop CTI color table files use a binary format storing 256 RGB color triplet values in sequential order. Each entry consists of 3 bytes representing red, green, and blue channel values from 0 to 255. The format maps directly to indexed color pixel values for palette-based image rendering. Windows registers the CTI file as an opener for Adobe Photoshop developed by Adobe Systems Incorporated. To enable complex features within the file, a dedicated proprietary application is necessary. Windows cannot ensure settings are correct, so adjusting values is best done cautiously. We are checking for a viable reader. Right-click your CTI file and select Open With. Use Adobe Photoshop if installed. If it's not there, try a different program. We need to find the correct decoder. The specificity of the CTI format is likely what caused the error. Before we proceed, let's run through this short checklist to confirm key parameters. First, loading color tables. In Adobe Photoshop, convert an image to indexed color mode using image, then mode, then indexed color. Then use image, then mode, then color table to open the color table dialog. Click Load to import the CTI file, which applies its color palette to the indexed image, replacing the existing color mapping. Next, creating custom tables. Create a custom color table in Photoshop by opening the color table dialog and clicking individual color swatches to modify them. Build a palette optimized for your specific image content. Click Save to export the custom palette as a CTI file for reuse with other indexed color images in future projects. Finally, applying to web graphics. Use CTI color tables when creating GIF or PNG-8 web graphics that require specific color palettes. Load the CTI file during the Save for Web export process to ensure consistent color reproduction across a series of web graphics. Custom palettes optimize image quality within the 256 color limitation of indexed formats. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Rather than guessing, you can try switching to a dedicated parsing engine that is built to identify file structures autonomously and may offer a better chance of opening stubborn formats. When even advanced utilities can't handle the file, the architecture requires a universal reader. FileMagick is the only tool I trust for this level of format variety. Download it at filemagick.com. Did the fix work for you? Leave a quick comment below and be sure to subscribe so you catch the next video.